All right, everyone, Mark is back with a new vlog. Yes, I know it's been a while. And if you can't really hear me that well, it's because I don't have a mic on yet, because I'm waiting for the rain to die down, because I don't want to ruin my camera. But anyway, we are here at Breakneck Ridge. I'm with Russ.
It looks like we want to follow the white trail and then loop down the yellow trail.
Right now, we're kind of skeptical of the condition of the trails since it was wet, but you know, we don't want to pussy out. There's the map. Let's get to it. Yeah, last time I did this trail, it might have been 5 years ago or so. I'll throw it on the screen right now, but I'm glad to be back. Ironically, it was raining last time, so it should be fun to do again, as long as the rocks aren't too slippery. Also, last time we actually didn't know this at the time, but we did the trail backwards. So we're actually going to do the trail the right way this time.
If you've been telling to go left, it'll be
Oh, really?
the top or right that way.
Did not know that.
Either diagonally to the left or to the right.
Fucking hike master Russ. I didn't know about that. You can keep walking. I'm just like in B-roll, you know? Yeah, I mean...
The whole point is it's supposed to be crazy rock climbing sort of trail, and they got all these stands.
Ironically enough, the rain stopped after I did my intro, so now the mic is on. You guys should hear. Oh, fuck my breath.
Some serious water right here.
Right at the beginning of the trail, we get a nice waterfall.
This is definitely already pretty sketchy.
This is crazy. I didn't do this route last time. I went the other way.
This is Breakneck. It's called Breakneck because if you look behind you, if you fall backwards, you're done.
Oh yeah, we're breaking our necks. See, now that Mr. Russ has taught us about the trailblazers, we gotta go up and to the left. Still a little bright out. Already got some elevation. All right, honestly, we haven't made it that far, but you know, we're just trying to take in the sights. I think he's trying to go up to that ledge behind me, if you see the little rock. But this is the current view. We're at about a halfway point at the first ledge, he said. So let's keep going. I like the little island that they got or whatever. I don't know what's over there.
I think that used to be a lighthouse. Because, you know, this is the Hudson, so I definitely...
Alright, we're trying not to put down the camera, but I just had to truck all these boulders. So it's getting a little how you doing.
Over here, there's some you definitely need some upper body strength for this part, so...
Alright.
Two-handers. Shred the gnar, bro.
Alright, so we've made it to Peak 1. Do you have any news to share?
Welcome to Massa Peak 1.
We did not throw up.
I did not throw up. I almost did.
Nausea got the best.
I had to sit down for a little bit, but I realized it was probably because I was wearing that like thick sweater, which has set me up for disaster. More peaks to go.
That is it for Peak 1. It's time for Peak 2. Let's go. Yeah, I need your help again. Document.
Think you can make it right here?
Look at this. so we just took a little water break at peak 2, and it's time to keep going to peak 3. We're looking to do some drone action at the top. Hopefully it's not too windy, but I don't want to take out the drone now, even though this little spot is cool. I'm lazy and I don't want to put it back away, take it out, put it away, take it out, put it away. Photographers now. Hiking and vlogging. It's tough. Oh. Yee! Peak 2. Welcome to How You Do on Peak 2.
Hashtag how you doing? Hashtag Breakneck Ridge. Hashtag word is in my mouth. We are in the woods. You ready?
What's going on, guys? We are at the top of Breakneck Ridge, peak 3. We've been up here for a little bit, but we've just been chilling. You got some honey roasted nuts.
Oh shit, product placement.
They don't know the brand.
They don't know the brand at all.
You don't know.
You didn't see shit, bro. Get a suit over some goddamn snacks.
Looking pretty good up here, though, I must say. Oh, that's a cool view. Got the river back. That's the Hudson River. We're kind of like an hour away from New York City, I would say. Something like that.
If you go it's more like 45 minutes.
45 minutes? It is time to bring up the drone. I thought it would be a great time to film this thing. Never flew it on top of a mountain. All right, we're gonna lift off. Wait, the wind. Right now,
I don't know. Maybe give it a shot.
It's fine, but I don't want to lift it off right before it gusts. That's for sure. 4K 24, different shutter. Oh my god, I forgot to put the joysticks on the controller. I was actually worried that I wasn't going to be able to film it because you can't film at a certain altitude, but I think it's based on your liftoff altitude, so we should be good.
I feel like I got a good shot right now. It's got both you and the drone in it.
We're up. Oh, we're droning. That was sick. So check out some drone footage now.
Checking out the Hudson River.
Checking out some HUD?
Yeah.
The Riv?
Big pud. Giant big pud. Going all the way from New York City to
BrwakNeck,
Canada.
So we just took the drone up. That thing was pretty scary because you just can't see it, and we're just on top of a mountain with big gusts of wind randomly, so I got some shots in quick. Hopefully you enjoyed that. But yeah, we brought it down for now. I was just getting worried. It's just the longer it was up in the sky, the more anxiety was building for me, so maybe I'll toss it up again soon, but I'm glad I did. All right, everyone, we decided to go to the final peak, do the whole hike. I don't know what that was. We're gonna do the whole hike and hopefully beat sunset in 2 hours. Should be perfect timing. win. All right, time to head down.
We did it.
The gods have spoken.
What's it called? So we were just on this, right? This is the UC, and we want it zigzags down all this bullshit, and we want to take it right to the blue, and when we get to the blue we turn right, and when we get to the red we make another right.
Sounds good to me.
Right?
I'm delirious at the home stretch right now.
All right, buddy. Last trip.
Back to salvation. Struggling. Oh my God, I can see the road. Can you feel it? Just in time for the sunset. We were up there.
Look at what we fucking did. These are only the first two peaks too. Hold that. Goddamn. Yeah. I was kind of hoping he was trying to kill us.
It's close. There she is. The car. Comfort.
Shake your shoes off a little bit if you can.
Tired, everybody. We're back in the car. I'm tired. That's enough hiking and vlogging. I'll see you next time.